Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove fake virus alerts on Android. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you're having or you're receiving those virus alerts on your Android device or those fake virus alerts, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, typically, you get those viruses from, let's just say, visiting certain websites. Now, if your phone gets infected, typically the best thing that you can do here is just clearing the storage of whatever app is infected. Now, typically, the most common app that would be infected is going to be your browser. So, in this case, you want to go and open up your settings here, and you want to go scroll down a bit, and you want to look for apps. Now, in apps, you want to go and just look for your browser. Now, in my case, the most frequently one that I use is going to be Google Chrome. So if you're using a different browser, go and just search that. But I'm using Google Chrome, so just type in Google. Let's just add Chrome here. So let's just type in Chrome so we can see it. So here, Chrome. Let's go and select this one. Now, in here, what we need to do is you want to go and just click on the clear data at the bottom right of your screen. Now, you want to go ahead and basically clear the whatever storage it currently has. So if you only see manage space here, you can go and just select that one. And from here, just click on the clear all data option at the bottom right, and from then on, that should remove any fake notification. So just by the way, if you do try or click on the clear all data option here, this will also log you out from your Google account and also erase anything that you haven't saved. Like for example, passwords that you saved before, if you haven't synced that into your Google account, it will also get cleared. So before doing so, just make sure that your passwords are backed up, your Google account, you know the password for your Google account before doing so. But yeah, go and click on clear all data. Now once you've done that, that should fix the problem on your Google Chrome. So that usually that's where the fake or your browser. So usually that's where the notification actually comes from. Now, just in case, another thing that you may want to know here is sometimes notifications may be caused by certain apps you've installed. Like for example, you've installed an app that is not directly from Google Play Store. Well, that would make your phone vulnerable for certain attacks or be a target for those fake notifications. So in this case, you want to go ahead and just go back to the app section here and look for any apps that you're not familiar with. So if you do see one app here that you're not using, maybe what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select that app, just click on uninstall, and from then on, that should also solve your problem. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.